Since it's early yet, let's pop into Grandma's for breakfast. And here in Yorktown, that's Abuelita's, where for 15 years, owners Nelda and Sam Valdez have been feeding both hungry locals and oil field workers alike as their Abuelita away from home.
So, you are the Abuelita?
Yeah.
That's Is it only you back here?
Yes, this is my little hole in the wall here.
You know, you don't have to work this hard. You could hire somebody.
Yeah, but I have to do the cooking.
Yeah.
I don't want to ruin it.
You're their Abuelita. You got to cook for them.
I'm very blessed, and I know that God knows my plan in life, and so this is it. Feeding the family of the boys in the oil field and my people here in Yorktown, because there's a lot of people that like my food.
Oh.
And they do get up early.
Early? Nay, the middle of the night, as Abuelita's opens at 3:45 a.m.
Why? That's worse than like donut shop hours.
Well, the oil field's 24/7.
So these tacos are kind of famous in the Eagleford Shale.
Eagleford Shale.
Yeah. You got the hat on and everything.
Yeah.
Customers are so thankful, they gift her hats, which she hangs on the wall like a mom hanging her kid's artwork on the fridge. She knows the fastest way to an oil worker's heart is through the taco. And the bigger, the better.
I don't measure.
I can tell you don't measure. This is one Abuelita taco. So when someone comes in and they're like, I'm kind of hungry, I want 2 or 3 tacos, you just know they've never been here before.
Yeah, and I don't warn them.
Yeah, okay.
Her tagline is best little secret in Yorktown, but let's be honest, ain't nothing little in this kitchen. Example, her pancakes.
This is homemade.
Yeah, there's nothing frozen. And this is my purpose in life. I was a nail tech before this. I did pedicures and manicures.
Amazing what happens when you find your purpose. And Nelda is about to put my hands to work, as she's got about 30 dozen tamales that need rolling.
I've made tamales one time in my life, and I think my masa spreading skills were very
Oh,
poor.
smear it like peanut butter.
Okay, sitting next to the pro.
Like
This
a
stuff's
like,
thick. This is pork.
This is pork, chili piquin for the heat.
Woo!
You got like rolling.
Okay.
Look, watch this.
Okay, roll all the way.
Yeah.
Anybody who's made tamales knows it's a labor of love, and Abuela does it for the customers.
And you know, a lot of them are far from home.
They are.
And so having someone like you that maybe is that maternal figure for them that they're
It is,
missing.
and I'm in here busy doing other things, and before they leave, they always come and say thank you, Abuela. Yeah, and that breaks my heart.
Oh. Well, hey, you're able to bring in that little bit of comfort, though. That's
Oh my
that's something.
gosh, you're caught up.
I think it's break time, you know?
And just like any good abuela, she's not letting us leave hungry. So I'm getting some migas, carne guisada, tamales, and a taco for good measure.
Oh, like taste the love, man. Which tastes a lot like grease and a well-seasoned griddle. Oh, yeah. That's delicious. You know, you can eat the taco, you make your own taco, throw in the migas in there with the beans. And then look at this, homemade chili piquin dust. How spicy do we think this is?
I've heard it called chupacabra dust.
Chupacabra dust?
Yeah.
Well, I might need that stick right behind you, Daniel. The chupacabra repellent.
Wait, what?
I might regret that, I don't know. That was spicy. Ooh, this is awesome. Everything in front of me is delicious. This is how you desayuno in Yorktown for sure. A little bit of Spanglish for you there.
Yeah, just a little.
Everybody needs an abuela, but only Yorktown has an Abuelitas. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.